Very Vital here. Thursday, September 10th. First day of school here in BC. I'm in the south part of Haney. Beautiful day. Take a look at the sky. Anyway, we'll just go for a little walk and do a little taping. Look at that, another cloud in the sky. Beautiful it is. Gas lines there and here, high pressure. A great trail. We'll go through here. Nice little park right in town. Small but nice. I would believe that this park is privately owned. Whoops. The thing is all loose. Never been down this way. Just looking at the tip steady here. Oh, look at that, eh? Let's go over here. Nice little area, look at that. Isn't this nice? Beautiful. What a beautiful area. Nice old chairs. Huh. Huh. Not sure what this is. Looks dangerous, whatever it is. Those concrete. Look at that. Huh. Hard to say what this was. Yeah, look how thick this is. Well, who knows, eh? No dumping. Anyway, we'll go back and... What a nice little area to sit down, you know? Okay, let's follow this trail and see where it goes. That's where we came. Let's head this way. See where this goes. Oh, into somebody's yard. Wow, look at this down here. Wow. This is where she ends, boys. Let's see what this sign says here. Visitor parking. Wow, look at this down here. Look at this wall here, eh? You know, it looks like a walkway here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, man. That's a long ways down. Anyway, let's head her back. I guess this is it. Cut through here because we've been here. Kind of a path through here, I think. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I don't know, eh? Did we dare go through here? Well, I think that's where she ends, boys. Yeah. Mosquitoes. Well, I guess we have to go back and... Yep. Okay. Well, they cut it in here, keep it nice and short anyway. Anyway, let's head back. Oh, there's a buffer up there. Sounds angry. Them little dogs you gotta watch for. They bite. Oh, she's yelling at him. Not sure what that was. I bet you there were seats here. See this? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I think that's it. It's a small park, but nice. Let's see what this sign says. No bicycles. There's no poop furry. See? Please clean up the dogs. That's funny. Now you gotta tell people, right? Property, Fraser View Village. Well, I don't think they mind me going through here. Must be adjacent to that one. Nice path they put in here. Beautiful. Nice benches. Oh, it's great to sing here. Nice little area. Beautiful. Nice little park. Little bridge. No water, but looks cool. Oh, must be a daycare. Yeah, it must be for the complex. I don't think it's a daycare. Probably belongs to the... this park is for the private use only. And okay. Are we ready? Alright. What's the speed here? Lots of building going on in this town, I'll tell you. What's that? And a crow. Lots of them around, crows. Now we'll see what these dudes up here are doing. Beautiful, look at that, no clouds, not one. Video.
Oh, yeah. That's what I could do. We're moving in.
Oh, I took the video of them putting this up.
Oh, wow.
The whole thing, yeah.
Neat.
I put it. I upload mine to YouTube. I load mine up to YouTube.
Do you? Yeah. So if I go on YouTube, what do I look for?
Jerry Vital.
Jerry Vital?
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 Yeah.
V-I-D-A-L?
That's it.
Is that Jerry with a G or a K?
I was born with a J, but I changed it to G because my full name is Gerald. So my dad's name is Jeffrey, and so is my brother, and we got our mail mixed up, so I would put a G, which I was allowed, because my first name was Gerald.
Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y?
No, it's J-E-R-R-Y, but I spell it with a G.
Yeah.
Because my full name is Gerald, and so it is Gerald. I got 180 videos on.
Wow, we'll check it out.
I travel all over Lower Mainland here. I do climbs and everything. I got some pretty wild videos.
So what would be your attraction to this?
Good video.
Good answer.
Who knows? I know they've been. I was here when they digging this out, and they must have been a month digging all the clay out of here.
Yeah.
And then they spent a week bringing in concrete and to do the base there.
Yeah.
And then they put the crane up. We got a video of that. And
Actually, more than crane,
yeah. The folks that live here in this side, I've talked to a lady, she says a lot of people come to their place and they sit on the balcony and they watch.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because if you're up in a couple of stories here, you can see everything that's going on. So that's their, and most of them are retired.
Well, I'll be ours is going to be on the 4th floor, facing north, but where that bare tree is, the first
Oh,
one.
so you bought it?
Yeah.
Oh. When's the completion date?
2 years.
So do you live in here?
No, we live in Big Meadows,
Oh,
Somerset.
The other reason we bought was we had the dog. Most places
won't
you
take
can't
dogs.
get anywhere.
No.
But,
we would have
this
used
one
before.
said, yeah, we'll take big dogs. You won't take dangerous breeds. We'll take her.
Yeah.
And so, and the new development, the era at the 224th and Jubilee, a massive, they're taking dogs too.
Yeah.
So we prefer this area and this is construction.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the beginning, it started sooner than they expected because the sales were so good.
Yeah. There's a lot of people moving from Vancouver, New West, out of there because a lot of people are doing work at home.
Yeah.
So why should I live downtown and to live out here and that? Because there was hardly any building here for a while, and then now all of a sudden there's just exploded. Yeah.
Well, and this is a lovely area. I thought I lived here over in This is a nice street. It's a quiet street.
Well, there's a couple of little parks. Now there's 5 that we own, but they allow you to run one right over there and one down further. Nice little parks and nice and small.
You can walk the dog in them.
Sure, yeah. Well, yeah, it's just there's no bicycle. I didn't see anything about dogs, so. Yeah, I live in Centertown. My wife was born here in this town, and her mom lives here, and most of the relatives. My relatives are back east. I'm originally from Ottawa. I've been out here since 79. 78, I think I came to Vancouver. I moved here in 81.
We have the different states from Toronto.
Oh, okay. They did. Yeah. It is, yeah. I'm not sure exactly what this holds for, but it's got to be something like no, that's where this is. Right there, that would be the elevator shaft. Where the yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think this would be the elevator here.
No.
And then there's one over there. See the blocks over there? See the high square? Yeah, that's probably where elevators will sit on that. I think eventually that will look the same. Usually they have 2 elevators. One is the bathroom. Yeah.
We heard about a girl who lived in a kind of a daughter. She lived downtown. She's
The boys are stopped for lunch. Yeah, that's what they have. Having their lunch. Lots of digging and stuff down here. I don't know what's going to be over there. Anyway, let's motor on. Oh, no problem.
Great talking to you.
You too. Nice people. I wonder what these places are going for. Turn this into a park. The camera's all wore out. This thing. Beautiful day. Lots of money going there, man. I'll tell you. Nice big Cadillac. Alright guys, some nice day. Time to go home. Anyway, give a thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe, any comments down below. See you next video. Everybody take care. Give you a little view here. Here's the gambling joints, which are never going to open.